Hello everyone, welcome to the yarn bowl. Today we're going to see how to crochet this simple and easy scrubbies made from scrubby yarn. This is a very quick and easy project. Meanwhile, if you're new to this channel, please do not forget to subscribe to the yarn bowl and click on the bell icon as well so that you get notified whenever I post a new video. Also, please do not forget to like us on Facebook and follow us on Instagram to get more updates. For this project, I'm using sugar and cream scrub off yarn, which is exclusively for making scrubbies. You can actually make 4 to 5 scrubbies out of this yarn. And for making the scrubby, we are actually going ahead creating a magic ring, and we will work chain 3. This is considered as our first double crochet, and work 11 more double crochets around the magic ring. So I'm using 3.5 millimeter crochet hook. So I will update it in the description below. So once you're done crocheting 12 double crochets, and we'll go ahead work a slip stitch on top of our starting chain 3, and then tighten your magic ring, secure it with your knot. For row 2, we'll work chain 3 and work one front post double crochet on the same stitch, and on each stitch we'll work one double crochet and one front post double crochet on the same stitch. So actually we are working 2 stitches on each stitch of the previous row. So we are going to work one regular double crochet and one front post double crochet on each stitches around, and then we'll work a slip stitch on top of our starting chain 3 to close this round. For row 3, I'm going to work chain 3 and work one more double crochet on the same stitch, meaning that we are creating 2 double crochet on first stitch, and we are going to work one front post double crochet on the next stitch, and in the next stitch we are going to work 2 regular double crochet, and on the next stitch we are going to work one front post double crochet. So we are going to alternate between 2 regular double crochet and one front post double crochet around, and then we will work a slip stitch on top of our starting chain 3 to close this round. So now I'm working one front post double crochet on my last stitch, and then I will work a slip stitch on top of my starting chain 3, and then I will need to do one more circle with the same pattern, and I'm identifying any back loop of the other round. So I'm inserting my hook, and then I will work 8 chains and then work a slip stitch onto the same stitch, and my hook passes through both the back loops of both the circles. This creates a loop for our scrubby, and then I will work one single crochet on clockwise direction. What I'm going to do is I'm working single crochet on exact opposite direction, on like opposite to the way we usually work, which will create a different kind of texture to our work. This is a different and interesting bordering pattern as well. So I'm passing my hook through both the back loops of both my circles, and I will be working reverse single crochet around, and I will work reverse single crochet on on each back loops of both the circles around. So this will close our scrubby and hold my both the circles together as well. So keep working one reverse single crochet on both the back loops of each stitch of the circle around, and then once you're done with the last reverse single crochet, you can work a slip stitch on top of our starting stitch and close this round. Here it is, our 100% cotton scrubby, and you can make more of this in one single ball of yarn, of the scrub of yarn. And it has come in good, nice holiday colors. You can try this at home and let me know your comments. And it makes a wonderful gift as well. Please do not forget to subscribe to the Yarn Bowl and click on the bell icon as well. Thanks for watching. Bye.